How to fix black screen on Windows. What is up everyone? In this tutorial, I'll show you guys quick and easy ways to fix if you're facing black screen on Windows. So the first thing you're going to have to do is press these keys together, Control, Alt, and then Delete, and this pop-up will appear on your screen. So if you guys are not sure, let me show you guys on the on-screen keyboard. So I'll just go ahead and turn on the on-screen keyboard here. All you have to do is press Alt, then Control, this button right here, and then Alt, and then the delete button up here, right here. So if you press all of these together, this will pop up on your screen. Now you're going to have to open up your task manager from here. Once your task manager is open, if your Windows Explorer is not running, you're going to have to click on Run a New Task and then type in explorer.exe. Hit enter, and your new Windows Explorer will open up. Now you can try to reset your display settings now. So you can do that by pressing Control Shift Windows plus B. So let me show you guys again on the on-screen keyboard. It's Control Shift Windows and then the B. So if you press this, your graphics driver will be resetted, and sometimes if that is the cause of the problem, it should bring back your screen. Once that is done, the other thing you can try to do is simply go ahead and change your graphic drivers. So go ahead and open up your device manager and check for any updates on your drivers. So let's go to display adapters. So here will be your graphics card. Now let's just update the driver. And if it says the best driver is already installed, you don't have to worry about anything. You can try to disable or uninstall the device. Click on this, click on uninstall, and then once you've done that, restart your PC once. Then it will automatically reinstall the driver for you. Then restart your PC again, and your screen should start working normally. So that is it, guys. Those are some of the ways you can try to do if you're facing the black screen problem. I hope this was helpful. Be sure to like the video down below, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and I'll see you guys on the next one.